Dr. Milton Bastidas, chiropractor. I'm here today with Lisa Helfrich, registered dietitian, and we want to talk a little bit about a lot of the things we see in our office. One of them is kids' health. A lot of moms that we treat bring us the story that their kids are suffering with many of the diseases that we see on older individuals, like obesity, diabetes, autoimmune. So we want to talk about what that entails and what we can do about that. Lisa, would you like to shed some light on that?
Sure. I think it's so important to help our adults learn more about nutrition for their children. The world we live in today is so vastly different than what it was 20, 30, or as little as 50 years ago. And so parents today need to realize, the foods that they're feeding their children, if they're processed foods, if they're the quick cereals in the grocery store, fast food from a fast food chain, these are foods that aren't real food. And so as they're seeing their children not be able to think clearly, their behavior is erratic, their moods are erratic, their skin might not look healthy, they may be gaining weight and they don't know why, or they're so thin and they can't figure out how to help their child gain some more weight. I think it has everything to do with what the child is eating. And so what Dr. Bastidas and I work so hard to do is educate you on what foods are best, what foods are healthiest, but not only that, we don't stop there. We definitely talk about gut health and gut function and support with digestive enzymes and probiotics for the children.
We see great results with this type of approach. It's a natural way to kickstart that child's health for the rest of his life. So you or anyone you know might have a child that is suffering with any chronic debilitating condition. Give us a call, 713-974-0300, or visit our website at truelifelongwellness.com. Thank you very much.